number strip. Divide using the number strip. So if you will look at the first bit, it is 15, and you all should know how to read the question. This is 15 divided by 3. What is the question? Question is 15 divided by 3. Okay, and always remember one thing, that we are dividing a bigger number from the smaller number. We always divide a bigger number from the smaller number. So here 15 is bigger than 3. So we'll be dividing 15 by 3. So this is 15 divided by 3. You all should know how to read the question. I may ask any one of you. Okay. Now, what does this mean? This means that you have to divide this number 15. Okay, you have to divide this number 15 with the help of number line. After this division symbol, children, number is 3. Number is 3 after division symbol. So what we'll do, we will count 3 numbers on the number line. See here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we'll count forward how many steps? 3 steps. Okay, and then we'll reach number 3. We'll start counting from 0 and we'll reach number 1, 2, and 3. Now from this 3, again count 3 numbers forward. We'll reach number 4, 5, and 6. Right? Now after 6, again you have to count forward how many steps? 3 steps. Aryan, tell me, after 6, if we'll count forward 3, where we'll reach? Which number we'll reach?
Nine.
Yes, we'll reach number 9. If you will count forward 3 steps after 6, you'll get 7, 8, and 9. So we'll reach number 9. Now, after 9, again we have to count forward 3 steps. Supratik, you tell me, after 9, count forward 3. Tell me which number? After 9, count forward 3. Quickly.
12.
Very good. If we'll count forward 3 after 9, we'll reach number 12. That's correct. Ashrit, you tell me, after 12, which number?
15.
Very good. After 12, if you will count forward, you'll reach number, you'll count forward 3, you will reach number 15. Okay, so now we have reached number 15, and according to the question also, we have to divide 15 by 3. So this means we have to divide 15 into, by counting 3 steps forward, we have to divide number 15. Okay. Now we have to count how many steps we have taken to reach number 15. So how many steps we have taken, children? Look here. You have to see this black color line. Count how many? 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at this black color curved line. How many steps we have taken? We have taken 5 steps to reach number 15. So in this box, we will write 5. In this box, we will write 5. Okay. Now, next question. Lohit, please unmute yourself and read second question. What is that?
18.
No, second one. 12.
1, 2, 12. This
Divided
by,
divided by.
divided by 3.
Yeah, so this is 12 divided by 3. So after division symbol, what is the number, Lohit?
3.
3. So this means we have to take steps of 3 to reach number 12. To reach number 12. So again, we'll start from 0 and we'll count forward 3 from 0. So if we'll count forward 3 from 0, we will reach number 3, right? We will reach number 3. Pathan, after 3, next number.
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. If we'll count forward 3 from 3, we'll reach number 6. Dhriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Next number will be?
18. Next.
6. Next number will be? Count forward 3.
Ma'am, till 10.
Huh?
Ma'am, 10.
Dhriti, start counting after 6. Count forward 3 after 6, tell me. Show me your 3 fingers. 3. Dhriti?
9, ma'am.
9, yes. After 6, if you're counting forward 3 steps, you will reach number 9. Are they after 6? Sorry, after 9, next number will be? After 9, next number will be?
12, ma'am. 12, ma'am.
Yes. After 9, if you will count forward 3 steps, you will reach number 12. Now again, we have to count how many steps we have taken to reach number 12. So again, you have to count these black color curved lines. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer will be 4 and we will write this 4 in this box. Okay. Akshar, read next question. Third one.
18 multiplied by 6.
18 multiplied by 6.
Divided by 6, ma'am.
Yeah, it's 18 divided by 6. After division symbol, what is the number?
6, ma'am.
Yeah. After division symbol, number is 6. So this time we have to take steps of 6 to reach number 18. What I said, this time we have to take steps of 6 to reach number 18. So we'll start from 0 and we'll count 6 steps forward. So if you will start counting from 0 and if you will count 6 steps forward, you will reach number 6. You will reach number 6. Now, Ashrita, tell me after 6, next number will be? Count 6 steps forward.
6. Ma'am, can I see in my book?
Yeah.
6. It will come 11, ma'am.
No. After 6, you have to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, ma'am.
Yes, we'll reach number 12 if you will count 6 steps forward from 6. Zed, what will be the next number after 12? Count 6 steps forward. Yes, Zed.
15.
Huh? Yes, Zed, what will be the next number after 12?
16.
No. Start counting 6 steps forward after 12. Count 6 forward. Tell me how much you will get.
18.
Yes. Now, if you will count forward 6 from 12, you will reach number 18. So, we will reach number 18 this time. Ashwita, tell me how many steps we have taken to reach number 18. Count these black. Very good. That's the correct answer, children. We have taken 3 steps here. You can count these black color curved lines. How many? 3 steps. So we will write 3 in this box. Okay. Now come to page number 9797. Yes, children, come to page number 9797. We'll complete the remaining 2 bits. Pathan, come back. P. Shreyan,
Yes, ma'am.
please read next question. 4th one on page number 97.
16 divided 4.
16 divided by 4. What is that?
16 divided 4.
Divided by 4. Yeah, tell me after division symbol, what is the number?
4.
4. So this means how we have to take steps of 4 to reach number 16. So P. Shreyan, tell me, if we'll start from 0 and if we are taking 4 steps forward, we will reach which number?
4.
Very good. So we'll reach number 4. So from the 0, if you are taking 4 steps forward, as according to the question, you have to divide 16 by 4, we'll reach number 4. ABK Ganesh, you tell me after 4. Next number will be? On forward 4.
Okay, ma'am. 2, 8, ma'am.
Huh?
8, ma'am.
Very good. If you are counting forward 4, you will reach number 8 now. Next number will be 8. Tanishka, tell me what will be the next number after 8?
After 8, 9.
How many steps you have to take forward, Tanishka?
4 steps, ma'am.
So after 8, count forward 4 quickly.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, so we'll reach number 12. We'll reach number 12. Bilvika, after 12, count forward 4 steps.
Ma'am?
After 12, count forward 4. And tell me what will be the next number.
13, 14, 15, 16, ma'am.
Yes, so next number will be 16 after 12. Now we have to count how many steps we have taken to reach number 16. Adwaita, count the number of steps and tell me how many steps we have taken. Count these black color curved lines.
Okay, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. So we have taken 4 steps of 4 to reach number 16. Now, next question. Misbah, read next question. Last one.
2, 20,
20
divided
divided by 5.
5.
Yeah, so this is 20 divided by 5. Now after division symbol, what is the number, Misbah?
5, ma'am.
5. So here we'll be taking steps of 20 or 5? Huh?
5, ma'am.
Very good. So if we'll start from 0 and if we are taking 5 steps forward, so which number we will reach, Misbah?
5. 0 to 5, ma'am.
Very good. So if you are taking 5 steps forward from 0, you will reach number
5.
That's the correct answer. Now, again, you have to take 5 steps forward. Hanvika, tell me what will be the next number if you are taking 5 steps forward from 5. Sorry, after 5.
6, 7. After 5, ma'am.
Yeah. Next number will
10.
be, yes, next number will be,
Mummy, 100 centimeters ante equal to 1 meter kada.
next number will be 10. Now, Krishika, after
Ma'am,
10, what will be the next number?
after 10. 15, ma'am.
Very good. If you are taking 5 steps forward again, you will reach number 15 after 10. P. Kartika, what will be the next number after 15? Riyansika, you tell me after 15, what will be the next number?
15 after
Huh?
20.
Yes, if you are taking 5 steps forward, after 15, next number will be 2020. Okay, that's the correct answer. Aliza, now you tell me how many steps we have taken to reach number 20. Aliza, count and tell me how many steps we have taken.
4, ma'am.
4. Very good. So we have taken 4 steps here to reach number 20. So we'll write 4 in this box. Okay. Yes, children. So we are done with this my practice time 3. Now you all have to open page number 8 of your math course book. Open page number 8 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on page number 8. I repeat, you have to open page number 8 of your math course book. And write date and classwork on page number 8. Okay. Again, what we have to do, we have to divide the given number with the help of number line. So we'll start with the first bit. Jay, please read first question.
Divide 53.
No, that's not
15
divided by.
divided by 3.
This is 15 divided by 3. Okay. So, Jay, after division symbol, what is the number?
4.
No. The first question, what is the number after division symbol?
3 5s are 15.
No. After this division symbol, Jay, what is the number? Look at your book.
Division. 3.
Yeah. After this division symbol, number is 3. So this means we have to take steps of 3. Okay. So Jay, tell me, if we are starting from 0 and if we are taking 3 steps forward, we will reach which number?
3 1s are 3.
No. Not in this way. From 0, count forward 3. Tell me which number you'll get.
3.
Yes. So if you are starting from 0 and you are taking 3 steps forward, you will reach number 3. Yes. Azlan, you tell me what will be the next number?
6.
Very good. Next number will be 6. Again, 3 steps forward, you will reach number 6. Kushal, please unmute yourself and tell me what will be the next number after 6.
After 6, after 6.
Count forward 3.
9, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, 9.
Yes. After 6, if you will count forward 3 steps, you will reach number
9.
9. Children, I am using cursor here. I may not be able to draw proper lines, but you have to do it in a proper way.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so now next number. Aniksaya, after 9, what will be the next number?
Ma'am, what is the
Yes, Anik, after 9, what will be the next number?
page number, ma'am?
Very good, Anik. Till now, you don't even know the page number. What were you doing? And now when I've asked you the question, now you're asking me the page number. Very good. This is page number 8 of your math course book. Open that page first. C.S. Shreyan, you tell me after 9, what will be the next number?
12, ma'am.
Very good. Next number will be 1, 2, 12. That's correct. Shrivas, after 12, what will be the next number? Shrivas, am I audible to you? Shrivas, yeah, after 12.
Ma'am.
Yeah, after 12, if you are taking 3 steps forward, you will reach number 15. Now, Shri Hassan, you tell me how many steps we have taken to reach number 15. Shri Hassan?
5, ma'am.
Yes, here we have taken 5 steps to reach number 15. That's correct. So now what we have to do, we have to write here division sentence. So our division sentence will be 1, 5, 15. Yes, children, start writing division sentence. 1, 5, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Why we are writing here 5 after equal to? Because we have taken 5 steps to reach number 15 by taking steps of 3. Okay. Aditya Ram, please read second question.
20 divided by 4.
Very good. So after division symbol, what is the number? After division symbol, what is the number, Aditya?
After the division.
4.
Very good. Number is 4. So how many steps? We have to take steps of how many number? 20 or 4?
4.
Very good. So after division symbol, number is 4. Therefore, we'll take steps of 4. So if we'll start from 0, we'll reach which number if we are taking steps of 4?
4.
Very good. So if you are starting from 0, you will reach number 4 if we are taking steps of 4. So here you will make an arrow like this. Dhriti Reddy, after 4, next number will be? Dhriti. Dhriti Reddy is not there. Devansh, you tell me what will be the next number? Devansh? Devansh is also not there. Kartika Nalla, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, after 4, what will be the next number, Kartika? Count forward.
8.
Very good. Next number will be 8. That's correct. Next number will be 8. Dhriti Reddy, are you there? Dhruti? Not there. Shreyas, you tell me after 8 what will be the next number? Shreyas, after 8 what will be the next number? Shreyas, you have to count forward. Are you there or not? Shreyas is not there. Aslan, you tell me what will be the next number after 8?
8. After 8, 12.
Very good. After 8, if you are counting forward 4, you will reach number 12. Okay. Aniksa, you tell me after 12, what will be the next number? Count forward 4, Anik, and tell me.
Okay, ma'am. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16, ma'am.
Very good. Next number will be 1, 6, 16. Yes, children, if you have any doubt, you can ask. You know you have to use raise hand option, right? So this will be 16. Ashrit Rao, you tell me after 16, if you will count forward 4, next number will be?
20.
Very good. After 16, next number will be 20. 20. Devansh, are you there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you? I've called you thrice. Okay, tell me, Devansh, how many steps we have taken to reach number 20? In second question, how many steps we have taken to reach number 20? Devansh?
6.
Huh? 6? No.
Ma'am, we reached 6.
Devansh,
Six.
I'm talking about question number I'm talking about question number 2. How many steps we have taken? Devansh, your voice is not clear, and moreover, I'm not unable to understand what are you saying.
Ma'am, 6.
Tanishka, you tell me how many steps we have taken to reach number 20.
1, 2.
Tanishka, count and tell me how many steps we have taken to reach number 20 in question number 2. Bit B. Count these red color lines. How many red color curved lines are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, ma'am.
Yes, so answer is 5. So children, we'll write the division sentence as 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Okay. Now next question. That is last question for today. Adya, please read last question, third bit.
Last question, ma'am.
Yes.
18 divides 6.
18 divided by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Say 18 divided by 6.
18 divided by 6.
Divided.
Divided by 6.
Yeah. So after division symbol, what is the number? What is the number after
Ma'am?
after division symbol? What is the number, Adya?
6, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll be taking steps of 18 or 6.
6, ma'am.
Very good. We'll be taking steps
ma'am.
of 6. Okay. Akshaj. Akshaya, are you there? Akshaya is not there. AVK Ganesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if we are starting from 0 and if we are taking steps of 6, what will be the first number?
Ma'am, tell the question again.
AVK Ganesh, we are doing your last question. We have to take steps of 6. So if we'll start from 0 and if we are taking steps of 6, so we will reach number? Which number?
6, ma'am. 0 to 6, ma'am.
Yes, so we will reach number 6 here. Okay. Ashrita, after 6, what will be the next number?
After 6, 12, ma'am.
Yes, after 6, we will reach number 12.
Ma'am, I have.
Sorry, Ashrita, I am cutting you in the middle. Ashwita Nalla, what will be the next number after 12?
18, ma'am.
Yes, next number will be 1818. Okay. Aryan, tell me how many steps we have taken to reach number 18? Yes, Aryan, how many steps we have taken to reach number 18?
3.
Yes, here we have taken,
3.
yeah, that's correct. We have taken here 3 steps to reach number 18. So we'll be writing here division sentence as